Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Electronics video lecture sessions. In today's topic we will study about the logic families. So which are the two most important logic families are resistor transistor logic and diode transistor logic. The short form of these logic families are RTL and DTL. So let's study this topic of digital electronics with RTL. So first of all, we will study the resistor transistor logic circuit. This is the one of the logic family in which the circuit is designed by the resistance and transistors. The basic RTL gate is NOR gate. Actually, the RTL logic family is the realization of NOR gate. This is the circuit diagram of RTL. Here I have used the resistance, two resistances and two transistors. The Q1 and Q2 are two transistors. Plus VCC is the supply voltage which is given to the collector of Q1 and also collector of Q2. That means the plus VCC supply is applied to the collectors of two transistors. These two transistors are NPN transistors. That means arrow is connected outside. This is the NPN transistor Q1 and Q2. The base of both transistors are connected with the A and B through the resistances. That means A and B are our inputs and Y is our output. We can realize this circuit after applying the inputs A and B digitally, that means 0 or 1. So we have the two main inputs A and B and we can apply 0 or 1. That means there are four possible combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So if we will consider two inputs XY or AB as shown in this circuit diagram, these two inputs are applied to the AB. Let us take the first case of 0, 0. So dear students, first I will explain this truth table by 0, 0, first case. So let's take the first case, that is 0, 0. If both inputs are 0, 0, that means A is equal to 0 as well as B is equal to 0. These 0, 0 are applied to the base of these two transistors Q1 and Q2. Now, what is the type of transistor? That is NPN. So, base will be of P-type material. So, if both inputs are 0, 0, that means low inputs are applied to the P terminal. That means transistor cannot conduct. Okay? If transistors are off, that means plus VCC is not utilized to switch on the transistor Q1 and it is also not utilized to turn on the transistor Q2. Both transistors are turned off because both inputs are low. Thus, if two inputs are low, 0, 0, both transistors are off. Thus, for both inputs are 0, that means low inputs, Q1 and Q2 both transistors are turned off, means reverse biased. Input junctions of both transistors will be reverse biased. So that plus VCC appears at the Y output. Across Y, the plus VCC will be there. So that the output at the Y terminal is 1 high output, because plus VCC is nothing but the high. So for digital circuits, plus VCC is denoted by 1. So for the case 1, both inputs are 0, 0, then output is 1. Now let's take the second example or second case. If A input is 0 and B input is 1. So if the input combination is 0, 1, then the Q1 is off and Q2 is on. So plus VCC supply will be utilized to turn on the 2 transistor, and that's why Y output will be 0. Now I am explaining the case number 3, 1 0, that means A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0. If we will apply A is equal to 1, that means high, and this is also NPN transistor. So high is applied to the P base terminal. So Q1 will be on and Q2 will be off. As Q1 will be on, that means plus VCC is utilized to turn on the transistor Q1, and that's why again the output at the terminal Y is equal to 0. Similarly, let us take the last example of RTL, that is 1 1. If both inputs are 1 1, that means A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, so that both transistors will be on. Thus, VCC supply is used to turn on the transistor, so that finally both transistors are on for 1 1 inputs, and therefore Y output is equal to 0 because there is no VCC supply at the Y output, so it will be low and 0. Finally, this is the truth table of NOR gate. So dear students, what is the logic of OR gate? Actually, OR gate, that means if any of the input is 1, then output is 1. But here, any of the input is 1, then output is 0. Thus, this is the truth table of NOR gate. All of you remember the OR gate logic. If any of the input is 1, then output is 1. But here the inversion of this OR gate means NOR gate is the inverted logic of OR gate. If both inputs are 0, then output is 1, and if any one of the input is 1, then output is 0. Thus, this is the realization of NOR gate, and this circuit diagram is known as a logic family, that is known as RTL. Now let's study the second logic family, that is one of the most important logic family, that is DTL. The full form of DTL, that is diode transistor logic. According to the name, the circuit diagram will be designed using diode and transistors. So look at this, this is the circuit diagram of DTL, and as per the input and output of this circuit design, that means of DTL, it is the realization of truth table of NAND gate. So this is the truth table of NAND gate. So let's compare and realize the truth table of NAND gate with the circuit diagram. So look at this, this is the circuit diagram using diode and transistor. I have used two diodes D1 and D2 and one transistor that is named as Q1. Here we have the two inputs A and B. It can be of four possible combinations of inputs. In digital we have the two inputs 0 and 1. So accordingly we have the four possible combinations like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1. So we will apply one by one inputs to the A and B terminals, and we will observe and note down the output at Q terminal. So look at this. This is the circuit diagram. Let's take the first case, case number 1, 0, 0. If we will apply the 0, 0, both inputs are low and diodes direction like this NP, that means D1 cathode is connected with the 0 input and D2's cathode is also connected with the 0. That means low input is applied to the cathode of D1, D2. That means D1 and D2 will be forward biased using plus voltage applied at the input. So plus voltage is applied to the D1 and D2, and D1 and D2 will have the low inputs. Both will be forward biased. Also, all of you can see negative minus B is applied to the base terminal of transistor, so that Q1 is also reverse biased. Low input is applied to the P terminal of base of Q1, and that's why again it is reverse biased. So the plus voltage through R2 is appeared at the Q final output. So that final output will be 1 according to the digital output. Thus, for the case number 1, if both inputs are 0, 0, then both diodes will be forward biased but transistor will be reverse biased, and so that one output appears across final output terminal Q. Now let's take the another example, means case number 2, 0, 1, that means A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1. If A equal to 0 and B equal to 1, therefore D1 will be forward bias and D2 will be reverse bias. So if D2 is reverse biased and D1 is forward biased because of 0 input at the A terminal, again plus voltage is utilized to turn on the D1, and similarly due to the negative voltage applied to the base terminal of Q. So again 0, 1 input, we will have the output is 1 as D1 is on and D2 is off, but NPN transistor Q1 is connected at the output terminal, which will be the reverse biased condition, and that's why output is 1 plus voltage is appeared at the Q using R2 through R2. Now the third case 1, 0, for 1, 0, D1 will be reverse bias and D2 will be forward bias, so that again the same condition, the plus V and minus V will be cancelled out across R3, and so that base terminal will be at low position, low logic level, and so that out reverse bias Q1 and therefore turned off, Q1 will be turned off and the output across Q will be 1. Now let's discuss the fourth case, that is 1, 1. If both inputs are 1, 1, that means A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, so that D1 will be off and D2 will be off because cathode will be at high potential, means 1. So if both diodes are off, means reverse biased, so that plus voltage appears, higher voltage appears at the base terminal of Q1, and therefore Q1 will be forward biased. If transistor will be turned on using plus voltage, then output will be 0. So final output of DTL will be 0 for input combination of 1, 1. So thus students, the output sequence of DTL shows that this is the realization of two input NAND gate. That means 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, any of the combination, we will have the output is equal to 1. But for the last combination of 1, 1, we will have the output is equal to 0. Thus, DTL is the realization of NAND gate and RTL is the realization of NOR gate. Thus, dear students, RTL and DTL are two most important logic families, resistor transistor logic and diode transistor logic, and both are realization of particular basic gate, universal gate, NAND and NOR. NAND, that is the realization of DTL, and NOR, that is the realization of RTL. That's all about today's session of logic families, RTL and DTL. Thank you very much.